She had just one job to do. Prove to everybody that you feel the same way and stop hiding behind your image and how people would perceive you. I'm trying to tell you now, this is the perception that Frodd is always, the perception in the world is Frodd is pushing himself on Esther. Say it with your chest that Frodd is somebody I have feelings for. I was broken down, man. See, I believe I'm somebody that people thought if I come out of the house, I will not achieve one dime. I will not make money, I will still be following babe. Nah, fam. I protected you, babe. The way you looked at me and spoke to me. Like, is there a Frodd without an Esther? I'm not painting you bad, and in front of TV, please, I beg of you to say, when I said friends in upper echelon, it doesn't mean Esther is a very decent girl as regards to anything. She would never be in any sexual anything. That's not what it is. It was just more of saying there are people who can extend some form of help to you, but might not be able to do so if there is a relationship.
I know it was getting heat because he spoke to me about it and I understood that. I got hit too. I was the bitter, terrible person.
But you didn't get hit on this relationship?
Yes,
okay.
I was bitter. I never acted like I liked you. I was always angry. I am a witch. I am this, I am that. I got hit too. We got hit for our actions. I know. I have a wall. I am very much guarded. I do not like to let people in. That's who I am. Because I don't need the whole world knowing my business. All I need is you. Not the whole world. I don't need to show the whole world anything. I need to show
people
you.
I never asked you out. Do you know the length we went to? Do you know what I burned?
You didn't. You always dilly-dallied around it. Anybody, Frodd. Not you. No, not you.